Well, that time lapse was fun, but exactly what was I building? This structure here in the middle of the garage is actually a dividing wall separating the space from the pottery studio on this side and the woodworking area on this side. So exactly why did I build two walls? I can now walk outside and push the lumber trolley right back into the garage, right between these two walls, keeping it out of sight and out of mind. Now, of course, the walls aren't clad yet, so you can still see it, but that'll change as I move forward. Now that the main wall sections are in place, I'm set up here to cut the cross pieces along the top that'll tie them all in together. By changing the dust collection hose, I can go from miter saw to pocket hole jig in a matter of moments. You can see that the walls terminate here well below the ceiling. So although they're parallel to each other, they may not be at a right angle. So to make sure that they stay at a right angle to each other, I'm going to install a piece of OSB right here. Well, I've added these pieces of OSB here to define some shelf cavity space, and I think this is where I'll leave you at this video. If you've enjoyed the content, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell so that you don't miss the next video as we build out the workspace between pottery and woodworking. So until then, be an early riser. Get up and get going, and I'll see you then.